Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs Fashion Jewelry Product Review. I have here a simple accessories. This is made of a simple materials. This is matching for your outfit, which is beige, off-white, brown, and yellow or light yellow. Look at this, okay? So this is the correct color that will match to this outfit. This is yellow, golden yellow with white combination. This is a hoodie jacket and with yellow shirt inside. So look at this. This is made of round silver beads. This is round, okay, attached with two rings here, and this one some balls and attach a ring. This is just a simple ring, and this one with lace, flower lace, and just attach with rings both side. And this is a stone topaz, this yellow lace, and next is balls, lace, beads, and so on and so forth. Okay, and this is the ribbon for the chain here. It is just a ribbon, okay? And this one is a chain, some decoration here, okay? It is just simply like this. I will show you. Look at, guys. This is the ribbon for here, okay? Just like that. Wait. So look at, guys, this one. This is my choker. Look. Ito yung ano, this is the ribbon, which is serve as a chain here, and with matching silver here in this side and here. Look at here. So this chain is up to here, okay? Look. So this is the chain, and this one is just a decoration here in the middle, and this one up to here, okay? So this is a matching accessories for yellow, for beige, or for brown, or for off-white. So this is the correct color combination. So be professional in choosing the correct accessories and the correct color combination for your outfit, okay? So that it will look beautiful and presentable, okay? Do not wear accessories that will not match to your outfit, okay? So this is the correct color combination. There is a brown, beige, yellow, golden yellow, and white. So I hope, guys, you get an idea on how to use or how to wear the correct color combination for your accessories. And if your outfit is simple, just wear the choker or the necklace, which is also simple. Okay, this is just a very simple, guys. No glitters, just simple color beige and go and silver combination of the chain, so that you will look more presentable and elegant even in a simple way. Okay, look at here. Okay. Mm. So do not wear multicolor for this outfit, otherwise you will look like a Christmas tree. Okay, so choose the correct color combination for your outfit, and if it is simple outfit, you have also to wear simple accessories. Okay, so I hope guys this jewelry review can help you on how to choose the correct color combination, how to choose the style of the accessories that you're going to wear to match for your outfit. This outfit is for the spring season already. It's yellow, so this accessories is very very much uh, fitted or matched to the color, because this is just a simple color, neutral, and my outfit is golden egg color with white combination, and also here is a beige, and here there is a brown. So this color will match to the yellow of white and brown outfit. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and please support my channel by subscribing to Rafthelsa Vlogs, and I'll see you in my next premiere. Bye bye, of Bedesen. Ciao. To all of you, my subscribers and viewers, from the bottom of my heart, terima kasih, Ifaresto Puli, feeling thank, Chichi, grazie, gracias, daghang salamat, maraming salamat for all your support to my channel. Bye-bye.